Hello everyone and welcome to InStream Trades. So let's have a look at the Bitcoin chart and see what kind of patterns are we having now and trying to understand which way possibly we will go. Uh, first, the first figure that I'm talking about, well, let's have a look at this line. You can definitely see that the price respects it and it bounced from it multiple times as well as this line. And if we draw it like this, then this figure is called the bullish pennant, and this is the figure of a trend continuation. So according to the history, there is a high probability that we will break to the upper side, and the movement of that breakout will be identical to the length of this pennant. So if we break in, if we respect this figure and this pattern, and we break in above, then we are talking about this huge move, which will actually result in almost 20% gain, and we will get stopped somewhere around 22,900 or well close to 23,000. This is the figure number one. The figure number two that we also need to respect is so-called symmetrical triangle, that many people look at it now and they see that this is a probable scenario. And the same way we're trading right here at the apex, so there will be a breakout in the next I would say 12 hours, even less. Well, we have 21 hours till the end of this apex, but usually it breaks before that. So if we break this symmetrical triangle, usually the probability is 50 on 50. So there's 50% chance that we'll break up, 50% chance that we'll break down. And the same way, if we'll measure the movement, then it's identical to its length. So if we break up, here's that target, and if we break down, here's the target. What is really interesting, if we break down, and then look at it, this target just perfectly matches with the golden pocket ratio. So be prepared for that scenario as well. And this is not the last probable scenario. So let's have a closer look at it. And there is a possibility that this is a descending triangle. And if this is a descending triangle, then there's a high chance that we will break to the downside. And if you respect this figure, and if we're breaking down, the target from anywhere will be somewhere around $17,300, which is again a perfect respect to the golden pocket ratio. So these guys are the three figures that you have to consider while trading. Also, there is another one that many people do not identify, and if we will have a look at the closest history, then here's one line and here's another line that were respected so many times. So we could actually even be in this channel, and we might just hit somewhere here, then bounce again here, and this may be a channel for accumulation before we'll continue going upwards. So there's another probability. I hope, guys, that this information helped you and you will use it in your trading. Please stay safe, careful, use the stop losses, and use your strategies that you have double checked before in the history and you are confident in them. So thank you for your attention. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, see you soon. Goodbye.